Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Riha and we are gonna play some fun game and we are gonna play Digital Pictionary with my sister. Hi guys. So today we are gonna play Pictionary, and for that the rules are we have downloaded an app Pictionary, and for example if Riha is the one who is leading the game or she's one playing the game, we will just select one of the options and a word will appear. She will have to draw that word, and all this time I am unaware about what she will be drawing, and through her drawing I need to guess what is that word. Yeah. So it's basically a digital Pictionary, guys. So everyone will get a time limit of 1 minute where they have to draw as well as the other have to try to guess that one. So we will be playing 10 rounds, that is 5 by Riha and 5 by me, and the one who guesses right gets the point. Okay, so let's begin the game. Okay, let's see. So I have my laptop here. So we are gonna play digital Pictionary. So let's start. We have two stylus with us, like the pens. So we are gonna play with this. Wait, can you hold this? Okay, so first round I'll start. I'll take a word and I have to draw that, and she has to guess it. So I'm gonna choose one. So I'm gonna start now. Timer. So here's the timer. The timer starts. Bucket. Is that a bucket? Glass. Cup. Mug. It's a teapot. Teapot cup. Teacup. No. Saucer. Cup. Yeah, I'm such a good person at drawing. I felt. Yeah, try. Tea. Try. Tea, coffee, hot beverage, cup, mug, saucer. There are two words. This is the only hint I can give you. Teacup. No. Coffee cup. Yes. Coffee cup. It's coffee cup, guys. I'm so good at drawing. Seriously, man. I'm like so good. I'm so bad at drawing. Seriously. And for the course, I draw something so well. I'm like so much happy with myself. Truly, I'm so happy. I can't tell you. I can't describe those words. It's my turn. So, 1 minute time, and your time starts now. She's not drawing, she's wasting my time so that I can't guess. Seriously, man. It's already been 20 seconds.
We have started drawing.
What's this? Box. Radio. No. What the hell? Why did I say radio? Chimney.
Yes.
Yo, man. Chimney. Within 20 seconds, I answered it. Chimney.
So that's chimney. That's only because I'm good at drawing. We have.
You must feel that. Okay. So now it's my turn.
The moment we both are at 1-1.
Yes. Okay. And my time starts. And my time starts now.
Egg. Is that an egg, Riha? Oh my god, are you drawing yourself?
Shut up, Indra.
Oh my god, is that a face? Yeah, you're too bad.
Yeah, I know.
That's too big for those very small eyes. Oh my god, she has very big smile. Is that dimples?
Yes,
Good.
correct. It's dimples.
Oh my god. Please guys, just tell she's very bad at drawing.
Okay, wait. Okay.
Comment down in the comment section that she is bad. She's a bad artist. She's bad at drawing.
Completely.
Right, next. So that was within a minute.
I'm not good at drawing. This is one of the realities of Riha's life. Guys, this is the reality. This is the harsh reality of my life. I'm not good at drawing at all. Since my childhood, all my drawings were made by my sister, and I
Always.
took all the credit of making it and getting marks. But to be very honest, I can never draw. I'm very terrible at drawing. But for the first time in my life, during this quarantine, I made some of the better drawings. Like seriously, I was so impressed by myself. My complete family was like so proud of myself that I drew something like literally, and that was really good. I literally draw something like amazing shit. Like, but I was amazing.
You should add the screenshot somewhere on the screen.
Yeah, okay, I'll try to keep the screenshots. If possible, I try to keep those screenshots. And you guys comment down if you liked my drawing, because that was the first time in my life, okay, entire life. Total is complete 18 years. Something I drew something, literally. Even my friends were like, what? Are you serious that you made it? Because they were also like shocked that you made it, because everyone knows, my friends completely know that I can't. Drawing is something that I can't. I'm very terrible at that. Okay, let's start again. Word.
I've seen
Okay.
my word.
Okay. Her time starts now.
We are looking at this pretty carefully.
बैंगन burn मतलब girls का hair style. Okay. Penguin. Wait, man, what's this? Hairband and a person, girl. Girl is wearing frock. It's her legs, definitely. I know that's gonna come. Ballet. Yo man, I
Still,
am
this
genius.
not
Okay.
proper.
Okay, it's not ballet.
You're close, but I won't say that you're correct.
Ballet dance.
Oh shit.
Okay, I'll be getting extra time for this. I'll start again. Yeah, you're wasting my time. It's ballet, I know it's ballet dance. Or those shoes. Okay, so you're asking me about the dress thing, or the like the shoes, name of the shoes, or the type of dress they wore, like something like what? It's ballet.
I can't tell you all of this, Riha.
I'll give me a hint. Even I gave you a hint. It's 2 words karke in the coffee cup.
Just look at this.
I understood that it's okay. It's mannequin or something. It's ballet only. Okay. She's performing the dance performance. She's performing ballet dance.
Closer. Riha. So Riha clearly failed. This was ballet dancer.
Dancer.
Yes. All you kept saying is ballet dance.
Shit, man. You could have given me point for that.
No?
Yeah, yaar. Even I would have done that the same for you, because it's very difficult to like perfectly
So
recognize.
at the end of second round, I'm at a score of 2.
I'm gonna
and
take something
Riha
very
at a score
difficult
of
that
1.
she's not gonna literally gonna find out what's that word. Seriously. Okay.
Don't
now
forget, you should also be knowing how to draw that one.
Yeah, I can do. Okay, so I'm starting now. See ya.
Box, TV, computer, desktop. That's a keyboard. Is that not a keyboard?
Yes.
It's a keyboard. Desktop, mouse, TV, PC, mouse. Is that Netflix?
No.
Voice. Is that a screensaver?
No.
Desktop. No, why did movie?
No.
Out of time.
Yo, man. Yo.
What was that?
This was computer games. Computer games. Yeah. I'm not kidding and I'm not wrong. Computer game. So here, see. This is a computer
That's a
game.
very bad drawing. I'm sure nobody could have guessed
Hey,
that.
please, it's really good. I drew something really good, okay?
pretty amazing.
How can that be a computer game? It's
If
just a
you
computer.
were like you got to know that it's computer, it's mouse. You got to know that much at least.
Okay, forget
and
that.
the game part is something which you don't understand. Now what can I do?
That's because
That's why I
you're
said
bad at
don't
drawing.
take. Oh.
Okay. Now it's my turn. Okay.
1, 2, 3, start. You already wasted so much of time here. Wow. This is for artistic skills. I understood it. It's skin or dandruff or something like that.
Go with one.
Dandruff or something.
Yes. That's right. That was dandruff.
Okay.
Just look at this girl. She's so pretty.
Yes, she is pretty. Indeed, she is.
I don't want to rub that one.
It haven't took even a second.
So at
for
the
me.
end of this round,
Erase.
it's 2-all.
We completed three rounds. Yeah.
There are just 2 more rounds to go, and let's see who's gonna be the winner. Obviously, I'm gonna be the winner. Yeah, come on, huh? Play first.
Chalo, give me my phone. It's very easy. Okay, very easy. Type start that. It's very easy. Very easy. Okay.
Anda.
Will you just shut up? Huh?
Don't tell me that's the bindi. Oh my god, what's that? Potato?
Wait.
Potato?
Wait, I'll erase it. Okay.
Anda.
Yeah, shut up, Ritu Rao, yaar.
What the hell is that? Is that a circle clock? 8 o'clock.
You saw somewhere.
What
Like
is
how could you know that it's 8 only? Perfect 8. It can't be 7. See, 8 will come here and then 9 it will come here.
I don't know. I should have said it 7, but I don't know why did I just say 8.
This is 8. This is the position of 8. How can
Then-
you say this position
Oh,
at 7?
just a minute. You know that you have drawn it wrong. So
I
why
didn't know.
are
I
you
was like,
drawing it
I was
wrong?
first. That's why I was going to here na erase that.
I don't
thing.
know. It's just random thing. I think 8 is more common than 7. That's why.
Okay, fine. You won. Riha let you won.
Oh please! It's just because of Ritu's breed that Ritu is winning. It's my turn now. Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. It's not visible to me at all. What's that? A girl's hair? It's a body. Dress? Towel? What?
What is this?
Towel. She's in
Yes, that's a towel. I'm so good at drawing.
You're just explaining to yourself that you're so good at drawing, so
I'm
that
not
you can make
explaining,
people
that's-
remember that, oh my god, Rich is so good at drawing, and Ria is like, sorry.
That's a evidence. It's not just that I'm
You learned
I'm
drawing,
just stating
okay?
facts,
A
Riha.
person who doesn't draw, this is also good, which I do, okay? Okay,
no
give
one
my
stopped
phone.
you from learning.
I am not interested.
That's
Learn.
not my problem.
Okay, next round.
So by the end of this round, we both are at a score of 3-all. So this is the tiebreaker round in short.
3 all? Huh? Oh, freak. I should take some tough word for you, but I haven't.
Okay, time starts now.
Right?
What is that?
Wait now.
Square rectangle pipeline.
Staircase.
What is that? Staircase.
No, it's not staircase.
You will get a penalty if you are not able to complete it.
Okay.
Pyramid.
No, it's not a staircase, it's not a pyramid. Think some other word.
What is even that? You need to do something else.
This is only the thing, and there's nothing. You want, I can give you a hint.
Yeah.
Okay.
Going downstairs. Downstairs.
Downstairs.
Yeah. Yeah. everything.
I
that
gave you a
did.
hint. I gave you like 2
You
hints.
should-
She was like, Riha, you know, I'm the best at drawing and you're the worst. I literally gave her 2 hints. Okay, this
That's
is the first
because
hint I gave
that
her.
did-
And then the second was the cup. Okay, even the cup was good and even this was easy. Okay, I gave her a hint. But for me, she hasn't given me a single hint.
That's
So
because
you have
the
to
drawing
think who's
should
true.
be self-sufficient to be understood,
Who's
and not
true?
that it's being arbitrary
So
drawn
why?
and that's random.
My drawing was pretty good, okay.
A drawing
for
should not be
person,
ambiguous.
For a person who's not at all good at drawing, that was very good.
How
indeed.
many times will you state that fact?
No, it's good.
can't
I know myself. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, give me your phone then. Stop giving reasons.
Ha ha ha. One, two,
I'm not sure if you could. Yeah.
You want only me to lose, huh? That's not
That
fair.
was
I took
difficult,
something.
Riya. Yours
Hey,
was-
downstairs. Okay, who the hell doesn't know the meaning of downstairs?
Okay, I
I
will
gave you a
try.
hint
See.
without anything. 1, 2, 3, start. Anda. This is a big anda in the test paper. Is this again a face? Please don't make such a thing touched. So leave it. Okay, this is an old uncle who doesn't have hair.
You're close.
Okay, mooch, mustache, a bald, bald, a bald. What's this?
Correct. Bald.
Bald. Yeah. So there's no winner. There's no winner. Okay, we have one try breaker.
Take the next word, whichever comes. I'm not sure again about this.
Is that table barbecue? Are they having dinner? चिमनी पे खाना पक रहा है टेबल पे Wait, man. I'm not able to understand this. Dustbin. Dustbin. Bin. कचरा. गड्ढा खोद के बिन में डाल रहे टाइप दैट टाइप Yeah, at least say yes or no. At least I gave
No,
you that
no.
much information.
No.
It's a bedroom. Bedroom.
No. It's actually kind of adverb. Give up. The word was clean. And that was more about like cleaning the room, taking out the rubbish, putting it into the dustbin.
But I was pretty good and I don't feel that it's fair.
Why not fair, Reha?
Because it's not fair. You haven't given me any proper hint or anything.
I told you it's an adverb.
Seriously. I asked her like, it's a bedroom. What is it? It's a bed. It's a dustbin. What is it? She wasn't even replying yes or no. At least I gave
if
that
that was
one
correct,
question.
I would have told you.
She wasn't giving me anything like that.
Okay, end of this round, I have a score. Which means I'm the winner and Riha is the loser. As usual.
Okay guys, you have seen, like seriously you have seen that I gave her like 2 hints which were the massive hints, okay, massive hints. One was like the downstairs wala part. If I haven't told her, she won't have guessed it, okay. And the another is that coffee cup, okay. I have given her the hint, or else she won't have literally guessed it, okay. I gave her hints but she haven't given me any hint and I made it, okay guys. So I know that I am a true winner who gave her hints as well, and she was like, I don't know. Okay guys, so let's leave this topic.
Yeah.
That's it guys.
And just comment down in the comment section if you were able to guess
Points
it right.
made by me, and
If you were able to guess it right. Mention what you guessed, what was your thinking and the mind process.
and that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you like this video. Please make sure that you like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment down on my YouTube channel. And this week's shout out goes to Lavanya Jari and Ishwari. And if you want to be the part of next shout out, make sure that you comment on my YouTube channel so that I can give you shout out next week. And that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Chalo, bye bye. Peace out.